Here at Mojo Reviews, we are a proud Jeep family, with both a Jeep Gladiator and a Wrangler. That's why I was super excited to learn about the Bolt Lock brand and their expanded line of locks specifically for Jeeps. With a Jeep, it's really important to be able to lock everything to keep things secure, especially when the top's down. But it can be quite a hassle keeping track of numerous keys for all the locks on all your accessories. But what if I told you there was a way to unlock everything with just a single key? Your factory ignition key? Well, welcome to the world of Bolt Lock. These aren't your typical locks. They have a game-changer twist, the incorporation of their patented one-key lock technology. No more fear of losing that rarely used special key. We love these, and we bought all their Jeep locks, the hood lock, the high lift, the spare tire lock, and both vehicles have their hitches secured with Bolt's hitch pin lock. But I especially love the cable lock. With its 6-foot-long quarter-inch thick black vinyl-coated coiled cable, it provides ample length to secure those random things to the Gladiator's bed. Honestly, the best part of these locks are how they simplify your Jeep security. Only one key, that's all you need. Your factory key. Just like in The Lord of the Rings, one key to rule them all. So I bet you're wondering how it works. Do you need to buy them through the dealership, pay a locksmith to cut them, wait forever for this company to clone and mail you one? No, no, and no. The technology is designed to learn your key the first time you use it, and from that point on it's a seamless match. It's just that simple. One turn and that lock is cut to your factory key. Now you may be asking, is this lock suitable for my Jeep? Well, Bolt has variety of locks that fit multiple brands and models, but I can assure you, Bolt has locks specifically for all Jeep brand vehicles made in the last decade, including my Gladiator JT and Wrangler JL. But you can find a full list of compatible vehicles on their website to guarantee the right fit for your particular Jeep, or maybe to see if they have something for that Chevy or Ford you might have. So, no worries, whatever model of Jeep you own, Bolt Lock is here to solve your security concerns. Sounds good, doesn't it? Then, welcome to the revolution brought about by the Bolt Lock and its innovative one-key lock technology. This technology is the epitome of convenience and security, merging them into a single user-friendly package. All you have to do is take your factory key, and after a one-time simple interaction, your new lock is uniquely coded to your key. I recommend them all, from their simple padlock to the cable lock, and of course the hitch locks, but you're really going to love the ones more specifically designed for Jeeps, like the hood lock, spare tire lock, and high lift jack lock. With Bolt Lock, you're not just buying a lock, you're investing in simple peace of mind, and you can get them right on Amazon. Secure your vehicle today with the Bolt Locks. These innovative locks are the answer to all your security concerns. With one-key lock technology, your vehicle ignition key is all you need. Check in our video notes for Amazon links to each of these specific products, and thanks for watching another one of our Mojo reviews.